means a 100% job security. There are certain, must be in your friend circle also, they are working on the contract base. 12-month contract, 18-month contract, 6-month contract. That means they already know in advance that you will be getting the jobless, or you will be the jobless after 8 months, after 6 months. Still they are doing job work. It's not bad also, because there is no option situation. But our people doesn't need to worry about the career. I doesn't need to worry about my career. Because till last breath of my life I will be earning money from it. Tension hai kuch. That's the reason I work so much. In the same way, we are all giving the 100% job security to our people. It's good or bad? It's very, very good. Yes or not? Yes. Along with that, we are having the non-seniority growth structure. Non-seniority growth structure. What is non-seniority growth? We are seeing in market that only because of the joining date, yes or no, people are stuck in their growth structure. Even junior is having more qualities than senior. Still over there, junior is junior and senior is senior. Still, by doing nothing, senior is getting the appreciation and junior is getting nothing. Why? Because the difference in the joining date. But here, it's not like that. Yes or no, Ramin? Why I'm here in front of you as a branch manager or handling the branch or in that position? Why? Because of the non-seniority growth structure. I will be explaining after this in detail about non-seniority growth structure. Okay, but let's talk about the basically your points. Let's talk about the salary. Yeah, our people is getting salary. That's the reason we are here. You have seen in morning, everyone is good, should good at your young stage, at your age. Yes or no? Why? Why they are coming? They are relative of the company? No. They are getting salary. That's the reason. Working environment, yes, good. Easy. Any company is working in market from last 24 years. So working environment अच्छा रहता है उस company. Along with the job satisfaction, yes, knowledge, yes, rewards, yes, everything is yes. Have you clear these points, guys? Yeah, guys, समझ में आपको? Now, everything is clear, ना? Do you have any question regarding any point? Anyone is having any question? No? Okay. Now next, let's talk about the non-seniority growth structure. I will be giving example about that. If anyone is assistant manager in any location, okay, and that manager, wanted the promotion, that is the manager promotion over there. What are the qualities that assistant manager should have? कौन सी quality लगेगी? Take on your side. Suppose you are assistant manager and anyone is assistant. You wanted in that company promotion, manager promotion. So what are the qualities?
Leadership, risk taking.
One by one. Leadership quality, very good. Then risk taking quality. Then communication skill. Then
Managing skill.
management skill. Then or positive attitude. Then experience होना चाहिए. Then
Proper knowledge.
knowledge and experience. Then or majorly this. Yes or no? So you are telling me, suppose if anyone is assistant manager and that guy is having the leadership quality, risk taking skill, communication skill, management quality, positive attitude, knowledge, regular, punctual, hard worker, and lots of qualities. And that company should promote that guy. But there is no vacancy. Will that guy able to get promoted? And when vacancy will create? When vacancy will create? Either that manager got retired. After retirement, vacancy will create. But sometimes we are seeing manager, assistant manager, both are retiring with the gap of 5 years. Whole life he wait for that promotion. And in the senior citizen age, he got 5-year promotion. So certain time we are seeing, yes or no? After that, or accident manager, assistant manager. So certain company people are going to the God, pray, Bhagwan, abhi to karo. Yes or no? But I doesn't need to basically pray these things to the God because of my promotion. Now one assistant manager is here. That guy, she is a girl. That girl doesn't need to pray to the God. Utha le Praveen Munde ko. Yes sir. Why? Because we are having that much, non-seniority growth structure. That means if anyone is getting promoting in our organization, that guy will be getting the different, we can say the business unit branch to handle. Existing branch manager को retire नहीं होना पड़ता. If someone is getting the promoted as assistant manager, existing assistant manager को हटाते नहीं company. One more assistant manager is getting promoted. That's the reason at very young stage here people are in the management earning 1.5 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees a month as a branch manager position. Month बोल रहा हूँ. That amount people is getting annually in the market. And at very young stage people are getting in our company. Why? Because of the non-seniority growth structure. Have you cleared this point?
Yes.
Do you have any question regarding this? Huh? Any question? Any doubt till now? अभी तक जितना भी बोला मैंने, कोई कुछ questions है, कुछ doubt है? No? Now let's talk about the last part of the, you can say the job profile part. So as we are recruiting people for the position of management, training, business associate. Okay? The job profile of our people at this level is customer acquisition part, customer service part, and customer retention part. That means we are giving the theoretical training in the office also about client, product knowledge, objection handling, everything. And we are giving independent individual trainer for field also. For field means our people is taking the people on field and practically showing how to work on the field. So that kind of work culture at management training and business associate level. Once anyone done with this, the first promotion in the organization is the corporate trainer. Okay? At this level, our people is getting human resource recruitment training. कौन सा? Human resource recruitment training. The job profile slightly changed, responsibility changed. Why? Because that guy got promoted as a corporate trainer for the organization. After this, there is a crew leader position or crew leader promotion. Here is human resource management training we are providing to our people. After this, there is an executive crew leader. Okay? Here our people is getting human resource development training. Okay? Then there is assistant manager. Here our people is getting finance, administration, then after how to take an interviews, how to take an induction, operations. Why? Because after manager there is a branch manager promotion. क्या है? Branch manager or business development manager or owner of the own business unit. And here that guy is getting the own business unit to handle. Okay? Or own branch to handle. Understanding what I meant? My point. Now let's talk about the salary structure. Here our people is getting 12,000 to 15,000 per month under training. ट्रेनिंग का कोई चार्ज लगाते नहीं या ट्रेनिंग में पे आउट होगा नहीं ऐसा बोलते नहीं हम लोग. देयर आर इफ यू आर सर्चिंग जॉब सपोज इन द पुणे, सो वहाँ पर 90% कंपनीज आर रिक्रूटिंग थ्रू कंसल्टेंसी. एंड वंस यू वेंट फॉर द कंसल्टेंसी, दिस पीपल आर टेलिंग पे द 15,000, 2 महीने की सैलरी दो. अरे गेटिंग मैन, किसी ने जॉब सर्च किया ऐसा पुणे में? 2 महीने की सैलरी दो, 15,000 भरो, या फिर 2 महीने का कोर्स करो, उस कोर्स की 15,000 वैल्यू, फिर हम आपको इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल करेंगे. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ अंडर ट्रेनिंग जो है, दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क कल्चर कंपनीज कैन. बट हियर नॉट लाइक दिस. Along with the training, we are giving the 12 to 15,000 rupees to the people. Okay? There are the 2 payout structure, fixed वाला है और incentive वाला है. And both are explaining after the, if suppose आप में से कोई ज्वाइन होता है इधर, तो उधर डिफरेंट मीटिंग है, उस मीटिंग में वो एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया जाएगा. पूरी सैलरी जितने भी अक्रॉस इंडिया लोग कर रहे हो बॉम्बे से होते हैं हमारे मेन ऑफिस. दिस इज जस्ट वर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द औरंगाबाद लोकेशन. अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई मीन? Along with that, at crew leader and executive crew leader level, here our people is getting 35,000 to 45,000 per month. कितना?
35.
Or 4 people is earning 35 to 45 per month. At assistant manager, there is 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Our people is earning. And branch manager, every branch manager, doesn't matter at what place that guy is getting promoted. कोई औरंगाबाद में होने दो, कोई दिल्ली में होने दो, पुणे में होने दो, कहाँ पर भी होने दो. If suppose any branch manager, if any person is getting promoted as a branch manager, there are the different facilities companies providing to that guy. That means that guy is having the city choose freedom. If suppose anyone is getting promoted here as a branch manager by working hard with the company, growth structure, with the company, experience structure. Or after branch manager, suppose you wanted to work with any other city, like Surat. So whatever the basically infrastructure, cabin, HR, other things, ये सब वहाँ पर कंपनी से प्रोवाइड करेगी. Now what do you think? My dad provided me all these infrastructure, all these things. पापा को बोलता था पापा बोलते अभी तक मैंने नहीं किया. Yes or no?
Yes.
जा 10,000 का जॉब ढूंढ किधर करो. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? कंपनी और कंपनी ने भी कोई उपकार नहीं किया because I got promoted with my basically skill and with their structure. Yes or no? So that's what the point. Along with that, every branch manager or people is earning 1.5 lakh to 2.5 lakh per month. Not annually. Understanding that much salary our branch manager is earning. Minimum 1.5 lakh to 2.5 lakh in that range, along respectively, along with the according to the experience. So have understood this part? ये आ गया समझ में till now?
Yes.
To reach at assistant manager level, the minimum experience criteria 24 months to 36 months our people is taking. कितना? 24 months to the 36 months. So minimum experience criteria. मतलब यह प्रोसेस में मिनिमम कितना होना चाहिए? 2 से 3 साल उसने काम करना चाहिए. उसमें फील्ड भी आ गया, उसमें मैनेजमेंट भी आ गया, उसमें फाइनेंस भी आ गया, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी आ गया. जैसे एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा वैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रोल चेंज होता. And that is the reason we are telling we are not recruiting for plain marketing profile. We are recruiting for the management profile. And that management profile, your job profile will be changed according to the experience in the organization. In between, कोई कहेगा इसके लिए लेकिन मुझे तो नहीं बनना मैनेजर. We don't have any problem about that. If suppose anyone wanted to work for 6 months, 12 months, and he wanted to leave job at territory leader level, he wanted to leave job at corporate trainer level, he wanted to work just practice के लिए 5 दिन देखते कैसा काम करते हैं लोग. कोई को रहते ना, देखते क्या चलता है इनका. आके 5 दिन काम करके निकल जाना है, निकल भी जा सकते हैं. Yes or not?
Yes.
कोई मेरी तरह रहता, चलो सर काम तो किधर भी करना है, इधर ही करते, बनाते करिए. Yes or no? वैसे 100% सिक्योरिटी है, उसका भी मोस्ट वेलकम है. So it's according to that personality. But minimum, if suppose anyone working with us for 24 to 36 months, we can expect that guy will reach at assistant manager level. Any question, any doubt? Do you have in this? इसमें कुछ question है, कुछ doubt है?
No.
No? Not on this. No problem.